ServiceTitan is a cloud-based field service management platform built for trades professionals like plumbers, HVAC, landscapers, and more, offering tools that streamline operations, sales, and customer management. You get a fully integrated scheduling, dispatch, invoicing, and CRM, all in one ecosystem, which we all know how useful that is. And it's optimized in an app for technicians in fields with GPS, job notes, and mobile payments. You get real-time analytics and service agreements and reports, plus seamless integration with QuickBooks, marketing tools, GPS tracking, and other third-party systems. From proposals to inventory and payroll management, the platform supports end-to-end business workflows. ServiceTitan's AI suite, the Titan Intelligence, delivers advanced automation and insights. You get AI voice agents that manage customer calls 24/7. You got AI tools like Ads Optimizer, proposal templates, audience assistants, and invoice and email generators. Features like Smart Dispatch, job value prediction, and price insights help maximize efficiency. So it's comprehensive. It's got powerful AI-driven automation. It's got deep integration and strong analytics. However, the cost is high for all of this useful stuff. There's a steep learning curve as well, and users report issues like performance slowdowns from time to time, so these are bound to happen. So is it the best field service management platform? Well, for medium to large contractors who need a robust AI-enhanced end-to-end system, it's among the best. But for smaller outfits or firms sensitive to cost, needing simplicity, or wary of onboarding complexity, lighter alternatives may fit better.